How to replace the headgear after 500 hours of operation. Step 1. Tool preparation. Step 2. Remove the rear cover. Open the head cover and locate the motor. Use a 2.5 mm wrench to unscrew the 3 screws on the right and left side of the cover. Remove the rear half of the head cover. Step 3. Remove the headgear. Use a 4 mm wrench to loosen the fixing blocks, unscrew the screws, and remove it. Pay attention to the motor's installation position at this point, then remove the motor. Use a 3 mm wrench to unscrew the 8 screws on the gear. Remove the headgear and take off the gear baffle. Step 4. Install the new gear and attach the baffle. Adjust the position to ensure the baffle aligns with the gear holes. Use a wrench to align the holes of the headgear with the holes on the machine head. Apply glue to the screws, cut in 3 to 5 threads. Then insert the screws into the gear. Tighten the screws symmetrically in sequence. Reinstall the motor, ensuring the gear aligns with the rack and the head fits into the groove. The installation direction should match the position noted during removal. Rotate the motor to lock it in place. Then attach the fixing blocks on both sides. And tighten the screws with a 4 mm wrench. Manually turn the motor to ensure the head does not wobble. Reattach the rear cover of the head and tighten the screws on both sides of the cover.